let me add a video. So before to type any text on a video, we need to understand video layers. This is the video layer V1. This is video layer V2. You can make it turn it off and on by clicking V1, V2, V3, V4. Alright, so our video have a video layer V1 and we want to type any text on video layer V2. So you have to V1, we have to turn it off and make it V2 enable. The next step is you have to understand these tools. This is the selection tool and this is the type tool. There's two tools we will use to type any text on the video. Select the type tool and type any text. So by clicking on a selection tool, you can also change the size of the text and you can also move your text on the video on any position, on a center, on a bottom right, on a left and left bottom, and this is middle. Anywhere you can put your text. By this panel, Essential Graphics, if your Adobe Premiere Pro don't have and go to Essential Graphics, you will see like this of a window in your Adobe Premiere Pro. Now let's change the color of the text by clicking this fill button and you can change the color, whatever color you want. Alright, then also you can add a stroke by clicking this and let me add a stroke, white color, any color you can add, and the stroke width you can see. So you can add any background here. Let me add a white background and change. This is the corner and let's change. You can easily move, set it horizontally, center and vertically as well. Let me put here. Then there are alignment, right and center. These are the alignment to change the position of your text. If you want to change the text font style, you can type any font. Let me, it's my favorite Roboto. Roboto, and it's thin text. So it's, let me add a black and this is the all caps and make it here. So very simple, we can add a text on the video by clicking on a type tool and you can move your text by selection tool. So if you like, please give a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.